In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vendor credit in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing small business finances or handling accounts for a larger organization, knowing how to proficiently issue a vendor credit is essential to maintaining accurate records and ensuring smooth vendor relationships. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, let's navigate to the Purchases section, which you can find in the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. This area is the hub for managing purchase orders, bill payments, and, of course, vendor credits. Once you're in Purchases, you'll see various options, but for today, you'll want to select Vendor Credits. Clicking on Vendor Credits will lead you to the section where you can review all your past vendor credits or create new ones. Next, you'll notice a conveniently placed Plus New button in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button is your key to initiating the process of creating a new vendor credit. Once you've clicked it, a form will appear where you'll input all the necessary details for your vendor credit. Within this form, you'll be prompted to fill in several crucial fields. Begin by entering the vendor's name in the designated field. This is the vendor who has issued you a credit. Following that, you will need to provide a unique credit note number. This acts as a reference for this particular transaction, making it easy to track and reference later. Also, you'll set the date of the credit note, which typically aligns with when the credit was issued. Be sure to fill out any other required details that might pertain to your specific transaction or organizational requirements. Moving along, let's shift our focus to the item table where you'll enter the item details. This table is integral because it provides a clear breakdown of what the vendor credit specifically pertains to. Here, include each item or expense line, its quantity, rate, and, if applicable, any tax information. It's essential to ensure all information within this table accurately reflects the items or corrections being credited to avoid any discrepancies. Finally, after double-checking all your entered information to ensure it's precise and complete, you're ready to finalize your vendor credit. Look towards the bottom of the form and click the Save button. Zoho Books will now securely record your vendor credit, allowing you to view and manage it alongside your other financial documents. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively create vendor credits within Zoho Books, helping to maintain orderly and transparent financial records. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more insights into using Zoho Books effectively.